recording and share my screen. So can you see my screen?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay. So hi and welcome to the second day's beginners training on Google Ads Engine. So today I will try to discuss this course content will be how to filtering and visualizing the satellite imagery. So mainly in this part, I will try to show you how you can easily filter the Landsat as well as Sentinel imagery in Google Earth Engine. Then we will discuss how you can chart analysis of the global precipitation 3 hours dataset using Google Earth Engine. So mainly in this part, I will try to discuss how you can easily make the time series chart in Google Earth Engine. Okay. And randomly, I choose this dataset, global precipitation measurement 3 hour dataset. And then we will discuss NDWI calculated from MODIS and Landsat data. Then how to export the PIP images and use these PIP images in ArcMap or QGIS software. Okay. Then how to export the shapefile from Earth Engine. Then filtering the Sentinel-2 imagery and calculate the NDWI. Okay. So this is our second day course content. We will cover all of these things one by one. So first of all, filtering and visualizing the satellite images in Google Earth Engine. So one of the most fundamental part of Google Earth Engine is selecting and filtering the image you need and display these images on the map. Google Earth Engine has already selected a wide variety of public dataset. You can easily access this dataset and use this dataset. Okay. So first of all, filtering. Suppose you want to filter the Landsat images. So what's the factor you need to filter? First of all, you can select your region of interest. You filter your region of interest. It's called, suppose I want to filter this region of Dhaka city. I need a satellite imagery of Landsat and this region is Dhaka city. Then I want to take only for those images which image cannot be more than 1% cloud cover. I only choose these images which image cannot be more than 1% cloud cover. This is the another factor for the filtering. Then I need only for the images for the specific year of 2070. This is the another factor for filtering. It's called the date filter. Okay. So now I want to show you practically in code editor how you can filter all of those things one by one and display your Landsat 8 satellite imagery. Okay. So I will go to my code editor. Okay. So after this, I will try to show you how you can reproject it, the scaled value in this here. I will try to finish after this. Okay. So I can simply open the new code editor. So you can search the dataset from the code of the top of the code editor. You can simply search here Landsat eight TOA. It means top of atmospheric. So now you can see all of this Landsat 8 collection will be appeared. You can simply click to this dataset. I can use this dataset USGS Landsat 8 collection 1 tier 1 TO reflectance. I simply click to here. Now you can see all of these details information about this dataset. Dataset availability. You can see this dataset availability date. It will be start from 2013 and it present this time. Okay. And you can also see here the dataset provider. This dataset provider USGS and Google, and this is the collection snippet. We can also use the collection snippet for import our this dataset. Okay, or you can simply click to import, then this dataset will be imported. And then you can also see here the bands. So mainly bands, here you can see that this is the bands table. Here you can see the B1, B2, B3, B4, also description. Also you can see the resolution and wavelength. Okay, then image properties. Also you can see the different types of properties: cloud cover length. Okay, we also work with these image properties after next time. Then term of uses. Okay, so now I want to import this image collection in my code editor. Just I simply click to import, then it will be imported in here. You can see this will be imported, and this you can see here image collection. This is the default variable name. Okay, if you want you can change this name, or if you don't know, it's not mandatory. Okay, if you want you can change it or not, it's totally depend on you. So I want to change it because this name is very lengthy. I simply put this name is L8. It means Lancet 8. I simply take this variable name, and now I want to check how many images will be available in this time for the whole world between this time frame. This time frame will be 2013. Okay, from 2021. I want to calculate it. How many images will be available in this time? The whole collection. Okay, so you can simply do it. You can simply use here the print function, and after this you can simply put the variable name L8, and then you can simply use here the size function. This is the size function, and this size function determine how many images will be available in the whole collection, in the whole data set. Okay, I can simply click to the run. You can see it will be computing, and now we can see here a large number of imagery will be available here. So it will be working. So now you can see here the total image collection will be available here. This is the totally large number of image collection will be available here. But this is the large collection. Now you have to filter it somehow. To figure out the function, you can use this object type. Okay, so now you want to filter one by one. This collection is the whole world collection. I don't need to whole world. I only need for the Dhaka city. Okay, so I want to filter it only for